Let me open localhost.
Okay. Okay.
It's loading now. So you know about the process, right? About AEM and what is I mean the author instance and the publisher instance, right?
Yes, yesterday we discussed, yeah.
Okay. In so what is the use of AEM in the sense the front end part that we can create the pages, okay? Create the sites and create
Right.
the pages, correct? So majorly we can if you need the page, if you need a web page, what language that we are using? Web page. If it is a web page, what language that we need?
So for me, like in team site, you're saying.
Not inside in general. I'm talking
In
about not
general, it
tools.
is
I'm not talking about the tools. I'm just asking about the language. So what language is used for the web pages?
so normally it is HTML,
Yeah.
which in which we write, yeah,
Yeah.
and
So
then
HTML.
CSS for
Yeah,
styling. Hmm.
exactly. So J is for functionalities.
Yes.
Correct. So if it is a car, there was a body is HTML. Okay. There is a
Yes.
color and design part that considers a CSS, and engine is a JS. Right.
JavaScript. Yes.
So this is how the page has been created. So um, as you said, it's a team site or AEM and WordPress and Sitecore, whatever the tools regarding the CMS. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it everything consists of a default uh, page creations. Okay, default HTML has been wrote. Okay, so
Right.
there is no need to having any particular code needs to be updated. Correct,
Right. Right.
because the backend team will work on it for the templates. Templates is nothing but the HTML creation. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, let me share my screen.
That's visible.
Okay, as I said, you know about the CRXT, what node consists of, right? And sorry. So it is a navigation console and it's a tool console, and we have a CRXT here, right?
Yes.
Okay, in separate way, we have also workflows, operations, sites, and all. Okay, mostly we are using assets and general. Okay, workflow
Oh,
and operations, any other things that we can see as an operation side, but it's depend upon the process that you are going to work. Got it?
okay. Okay.
Not with the information that we have. Wait a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in the navigation console that we have the sites and experience fragments assets. These three is the important thing that a major role play in the content authoring. Okay. So
Okay.
let me show you. So apart from this, we don't need a other options to major works on any other things. But other options to work on only for the process and I mean enhancement only. Okay.
Okay.
So in the sites, as I said, we have the separate project for our organization. Okay. So if you're going to work on this particular client, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that we have a this is called as a project. Okay. So
Okay.
every single project has been, so AEM authoring is not created anything apart from the pages, apart from the sites. Okay. So every single the root node has been created by the developers. Got it? So apart from the
Yes.
project, we are not supposed to mean we have to create any other things in the page levels. Okay. So authoring part is create and edit and more create or edit and deleting anything in the particular page. Okay, our particular sites. This is how the things going. As I said, there is a two way to create a sites. Correct. One is standalone sites. What is a
Right.
standalone site?
I don't know actually.
Okay, standalone site is nothing but it's not depend upon any inheritance has been inherited by any other parent nodes. Okay, but we have the
Okay.
language copies and that considers the inherited content. Okay, so whenever the language masters having the language nodes, got it? So
Okay.
apart from the
Mm.
if you created the source of language nodes, it also we can inherited while via the country level. Okay. So what are the
Mhm.
changes are going to create here? You can roll out the content to the respective country. Got it?
Okay. Okay. So, standalone may be called as some sites homepage. Mainly master sites like English sites are mostly used as it, and then like we work in EMEA. Okay, I have EMEA region to handle. So in that, we have UK pages. Okay, then first always all the pages are created in UK. Then then as per requirement we change them in other
Exactly.
like German
Exactly.
language or something.
So
Yeah.
what language masters will do is, if you have the separate and restricted content, it's a basic of um um how can we say it's a common content.
Okay.
Okay, it's a common content without having any interaction between the standalone things. We can also expertise on it, but we will say later how will be the role it will be done. Okay, so simple standalone page where we can create on your own. Okay, there is no restrictions to or any losing of data. Okay, not fearing about losing of data. Okay,
Okay.
so you can do whatever you can in the standalone pages. Okay, but the inherited content will be different. The source has been created. Okay, the source has been created.
Hmm.
As we can do it, rollout option to migrate our changes into the other things.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever you can see here, here you can see the respective banners and components of list component here itself, the default component here. Okay, so here what are the changes that you're going to do? It will also reflect for the respective child nodes. Okay,
Okay.
using language copies we can do, but this is not same as standalone pages. If I want anything here to add, let me show you. I'm going to add one of text component or else title component. Let me show you. I'm going to add title component. There, experience has been added. It is not title component is uh, title components nothing but it also fetch the data from the page title. Here you can see right experience. It automatically take the
Okay.
experience as a thing. in the title, and also it also capitalized one. Okay.
Okay.
If I change change the products list, then it will be changed. But in absence of anything input thing, okay,
Mm-hmm.
that has
Got
been
it.
different. Yeah, got it. So if you can see here, right, that has been the product list title has been added, but it is in the language masters. That is, it is not a live page. Okay, if even if you publish the page, it won't get live. Got it? Are you able to
Yes.
understand? And
Yes.
it
Yes.
we can see here, you can see the list component is there, but somehow the pictures is not there. Okay, depend upon the
Right.
card items and all. That is a different thing. Okay, article if you change, it will be changed. Okay, you can see the common things between the experience, child note, right? But but the product list title has been not there, right? Correct.
Right.
We, okay, we
Mm-hmm.
have the rollout option, rollout page here. Okay, here you have the respective thing to see the rollout pages, and click
Okay.
OK, because it is only in the child. I'm doing it in the parent node. Okay, in child node,
Mm-hmm.
it should be reflected automatically. I didn't add anything. Mhm. In the separate component, it automatically fetches the data here. Got it?
Yes.
But
Okay.
if you can see here, you cannot able to edit. You can copy, cut, and add the component, everything and all, but you cannot able to edit the particular component or content over the child page. Okay. What are the changes that we can do? It is in present in the parent node.
Master's page only.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. The masters. So what we can do, we can cancel inheritance to change the content here, right?
Okay.
But in case in
Okay.
the future, if I'm going to roll out, it will the inheritance break. It will not take the thing. So whatever the things you can do it in the uh, parent
Parent
node.
page.
Okay, the master page. Once the rollout has been done, it will reflect on the child pages. But if the node has been broken, the cancel inheritance. Okay, I cancel inheritance. I
Okay.
changed it to I edit going to edit and edit to list. Okay,
Okay.
it has been changed. But I'm going to here I also change products. Okay,
Hmm.
so I'm
Okay.
going to roll out the page again. The rollout has been done, right?
Hmm.
So what we can expect in the page, whether the product has been fetched the data.
Yeah, it should be according to parent node, but you have cancelled that, so
Exactly, cancel the inheritance. So
yes.
what we can do, if whenever we can uh, see the content, okay, whenever the rollout has
Mhm.
been done, okay, so it is affected, it will affected impacted, that will impact in the child node. But if you cancel the inheritance for the particular node, so particular change will not reflect here. Okay, so let me
Okay.
signalize the page after reverting inheritance. It automatically redirect, I mean, it automatically refreshing the page. So inheritance will go and fetch the data here. Got
Okay.
it? Correct? Are you able to get it? So this
Yes.
is how the entire page will be happen. Got it?
Mhm.
So whenever you get into it, so this will be happen. Okay. This is a small rollout option. Okay. I can see the
Okay.
simple authoring page.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay, next we are going to see the first it is a basic thing child page notes and standalone page that you can able to create. You can create here itself. You can new page created and what are the content as per the recommend will done. You can able to do. Okay,
Okay.
next one. So first, what we can do, we can create the page. Okay,
Hmm.
we can create the page. So how can we create a page? Do you know? Do you have any idea about it?
So we have here option, we will select on create page, but before that we create templates also, right? But if we have predefined templates, then we can directly click on create page
Exactly.
in the folder structure and
Exactly.
select the template. Yeah.
Exactly. So I'm going to select one particular thing. I'm going to create under the English. I'm going to create one single page. Okay.
Hmm.
Page, you can see the multiple predefined thing. So temp, as I said, template, what type of template that we have? How many types of the templates?
That I don't know.
Two
Actually, we can
ways.
create.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Two
Hmm.
ways. One is predefined, as you said, it's a predefined template that can fetch from the hard coded. Okay, the backend developer will create a template and if, applied it in the pages. Okay, you can get it
Okay.
from there. And another is editable templates. So one is static template, another one is editable templates. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so what the static templates will do? So if you have any changes, so what the template? What is template? Do you have any things to say?
So
What is template?
basically, it's a structure of the page that is predefined. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
That is a basic of the page, like mastheads, footers, maybe main navigation. These are
Mm-hmm.
few things which are predefined, and then there might be like some product page, let's say, or maybe some fixed article type of pages where we know that there will be header here, and then
Mm,
the body or paragraph text goes here. Then there will be a CTA links,
mm-hmm.
few navigation links. Yeah, so it's just a predefined structure for a fixed kind of pages, right?
Okay, so what will happen? Okay, that's the thing. Everything is a structure, right? So basic structure of default components. Okay, where we
Hmm.
cannot
Hmm.
able to delete it. We can use it or we can remove it while using the overrides and all. Okay, so what we can do, I'm going to take the which page I'm going to take the hero page. So once we create the page, what will happen? I mean, if select the template, what will happen? What we can do next?
Hmm.
If I click next, it will be taking to the properties of the page, which I'm going to
Okay.
create it. Okay, so title and
Hmm.
name will be there. Title is I'm going to say what we can say unit unity. Okay, or
Okay.
unique product that I'm saying. Okay, so
Hmm.
so what title will say the display num of the page which we're going to create it. Got it? But what is the
Okay.
name consider of? So title is the display title, display name. So whatever you can provide here, we can use numbers, we can use special characters also. Okay, but but it won't
Name is something which comes in URL, right?
exactly. So
Ah.
if you can see the title is the default thing, mandatory thing to fill to create a page.
Hmm.
Okay, but name is not. Name automatically fetch the title from the title. U is I mean with the small letters. Okay, we can see that we can see it. Unique product is automatically changes the small letters of characters. Okay, the
Hmm.
spaces are filled with hyphens. Okay,
Hyphens, yeah.
so more
That's
title and
URL.
description. Yeah,
That's naming convention, right?
yeah,
So URL naming
naming
convention.
convention. Exactly. So more titles and descriptions is consist of page title and description. You can fill it later once you can create. So I'm only provide the display title and click create.
Okay.
The page has been created and the folder
Hmm.
structure has been under the language masters. Got it? So unique product has been
Yes.
created. I'm going to edit the page.
Test taken the name unique
Yeah.
product. Okay.
Okay. So here you can see that, as you said, the default component is there. Correct?
Right.
Yeah, we have the header part, navigation part, and banner part, right? And the footer part. So the body will be remain same while we going to create our content. Okay. So here I can edit the hero image will be there. Okay. So let me edit the prop under the properties. We have the heading, title, and all. So as I said, the hero some particular titles will be taken by here the unique. I mean from the page level, page title. Okay. So here you can see as
Yes.
I added the page title, right? Unique product. It will be, as I said, the naming convention automatically changed here like this. Got it?
Right.
So
Yes.
whenever you create a page, you should select the template. It depends upon the template of editable or static. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So whenever you can see it, you can do things properly.
Got it.
Okay. So now, so added the content is different that you can do whatever you want, but select a selection of um components must be important here.
Okay. So just about this unique product title. Okay.
Okay.
Just about this, we see all the pages name is coming, right?
Yeah.
So are those also customizable, or they are by default like from the backend?
Which one? Which one? Sorry, I'm not getting.
This just about the unique product, this experience, man, women, equipment, about
Yeah.
us,
So
products, all these
yeah,
pages.
these navigations automatically taken from the header part that you can see it here. Wait, let me show you. So in
Hmm.
this product, these are the information automatically fetched from the unique product in the sense it's consists of the home. Okay, it what you can say if you can add the unique product right in the under the EN, the
Mhm.
every page considers a every single component here. You can see unique product here, right?
Yes, so these are 8, 9 pages. That is fine, but we might have multiple pages, like n number of pages. Then what's in that case?
Even number of pages, it will be happen one by one.
Okay, I mean, like there are if multiple pages, then all those will show, or it will just there are few number of pages only. There's some limit.
Yeah. Can you come again? What is exactly?
Said if there are like number of pages, let's say there are 100 pages or maybe 1,000 pages, which is normally practical thing, right?
Hmm.
So all those pages will show how many. What is the limit if there
There is
are
no
like
limit. There is no limit on it. If automatically it will breaches the thing, it will shown like this, or else we can add the CSS part to make it hide over the three buttons of a hamburger menu. We can do it as a hamburger menu. If you select the hamburger menu, it will be show like this. Show as a menu
okay.
box. So whatever the things you can, uh, I mean under the EN we can add. It will be automatically added. If it is a unique product page, that's why it's as a selected one. Okay.
Hmm. Got it. Fine.
Okay. So here you can see the. So this is the template. We have the respective template over here with the existing. content updates and all. Okay, you can do whatever the changes you can do. So you know about the components, right? How can you add the elements or content over there, right? So you can select respective components. So default components are image, hero image, link button, list and all. So I'm going to um, hero image. Hero image nothing but this is the hero image in the existing thing itself, hero banner itself. You can also show it in the banner. So I'm going to add the image itself. Got it?
Okay.
I'm going to provide the title. I'm going to add the image. In the image, you can see the toggle, right? Every single page we have the toggle. Okay. So if you
Right.
select the, I mean, enable the toggle, you can see assets, okay, the components
Mhm.
and the content tree. It's a what is assets in the sense.
Okay.
So we can use the asset. What is assets that you can know about it?
So as it is image, video, audio,
Exactly.
maybe
Yeah.
anything that is digital and required.
Exactly. Digital version of the content is assets. Okay. So I'm
Hmm.
going to, these are the default images. Okay. Default images. I mean, the images which I already been uploaded in the DAM. Okay. So that I will
Okay.
tell you about the DAM thing. Okay. But this
Hmm.
is, we can see here, you can see the image has been there. So I can update over and drag and drop to update the page. You can also browse the thing, okay, but it will take
Hmm.
it from your local system. That won't happen, okay. It will not
All
take it,
right.
yeah, it will happen in the, it will update in the your system, but it won't work in the publishers because the path of image is gone. Okay, it is your local system. Got it?
Right. Right. Hmm. Okay.
So
And there's metadata also. So it it contains images, alt text or something.
sorry.
There's metadata also for the image, right?
Yeah,
Asset is added here, then oh, metadata.
exactly. So image is
There's alt
decorative.
text.
If I get the alternate text from the DAM, because DAM I can provide the mount different. It automatically take it from the caption and all. Okay, there is, you can no need to update the alternate alt text over there. Okay, so metadata
Okay.
information is a consists of the SEO optimization. I mean optimization of the web pages. Okay, so
Right.
I'm going to add the thing. So if I publish the page also will publish. Okay, so as its
Okay.
page has been created, okay, but it won't. I mean, it is in the language masters, right? But I need it in
Right.
the US side, okay. Under the US and EN, I'm going to have it
Hmm.
the particular unique product thing. So I'm going to create a language copy.
Language
Sorry,
copy.
language, not
Okay.
not sorry, sir, not language copy. Language copy is something different. It entirely copy from the one single language. Okay. So I'm going to
Yeah.
click the live copy.
Hmm.
Got it? So
Yes.
first you have to select the source where you want to update. Okay.
Here we need to update.
Yeah. Live copy from.
Okay, from then it was language masters, right? In language masters
Yeah, language
publish.
master. But if you language copy is something that you can select entire language itself. Okay. But
Hmm.
in particular page that you want to copy from language masters, you can select the language masters. It
Unique
is
product.
like copy from the first step. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Got it. Okay. And next click. We can select the destination. You have to select the destination.
Hmm.
I click English itself. So under the
English.
English only, I need the unique product. Okay. Going
Right.
to,
Right.
you can also change the title, whether you want the unique or not. Okay.
Okay.
What title which give. unique product itself. I will change. But here you can see I'll copy the live copy properties. The name should be name also mandatory. Got it?
Yes, yes.
So if I select exclude sub pages, if I going to create any sub pages under the unique products, that will be excluded, or else it will be updated. So rollout config is something what we can do. I create the page, I create the live copy from that, but rollout is this thing. The inheritance will be fetched from the existing pages. Okay, because the live copy from fetch every single data from the parent node to child node. So rollout option is
Hmm.
used to in future that you're going to roll out anything. Okay, so that will be fetched from the inheritance. Got it? So I'm going to
Okay.
create. For now, we have rollout multiple rollout config. So what the rollout will be happen? The respective developer will be create the rollouts, workflows, anything. But we are the author. We just get the information from the respective uh, developer. Okay, we can
Hmm.
do the uh, authoring part. So now we don't have anything in the particular backend. So I'm going to select the standard rollout rollout config.
Okay.
Standard rollout config here. Okay. So I'm going to create it. So the live copy has been you can either open the new live copy written that's been done. Live copy has been succeeded. And here United States English under you can see the unique products. Okay.
Yes, it is there.
So here I can see only, I mean, I can add only the title and image and all. Okay. Here you can
Hmm.
see the same. Got it? So rollout option that you can know.
Yes.
Okay. Whether if I'm going to add I mean, one single component for the in the parent page. Okay.
Okay.
That we can only migrate the changes only for the component level.
Okay, so not full page, but a single component only. Hmm.
Sorry.
Not the full page, but a single component only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
That we can do, or it will,
Yes, we can do that.
right? So let me show you. It is US site. So I'm going to do the language masters. I'm going to add the only one single component link button. Link button.
Hmm.
I'm going to add a key section and the link to the key section. I'm going to add it. Okay. So link has been updated
Okay.
here. So here you can see the toolbar, right? Yeah, configure the component and copy, cut, delete, and add a new component above the respective component. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
here you can see the group. Group is nothing but if I click, it will be grouped with the respective above the components. So here you can see the rollout option. This is the symbol of the rollout. Okay. So
Hmm.
if I click here, it will say rollout or rollout to. Rollout is nothing but
Okay.
without asking, it will be rollout to the entire what are the pages that we have, it automatically do. So rollout to is consider of the selection process. So here you can see 4 live copies are there for the unique product where it is under the CAEN, okay, USEN, USEN, and USEN. Correct.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
what are the things that the link will be changed? The link will be added. Okay. So whether we can roll out for the one single thing that we can select over here, whether I going to add it only for the USEN. Okay.
Okay.
But you can see other status, right? Never,
Hmm.
because these particular page, the EN page has been migrated this type of information, this type of the pages, but but the modification is not done for any other sites. You can see the never modified status. 2 minutes ago, I
Right.
only did in the USEN unique products.
Yes.
Got it? So I'm
Mhm.
going to
Yes.
update only for the, okay, let me do it another changes as well. I'm going to add one more component. Then only you can see the difference. List component. I'm going to child
Mhm.
add the child pages. I'm going to select. Okay, this much of information pages has been created. So I'm not roll out here. I only roll out this particular list component only. Okay, I'm going to roll out to and I'll select all the pages. I'm only select the respective page and click OK. So the component has been rolled out successfully, right? So I'm going to
Mhm.
in the particular unique product page in the USEN.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, it is there.
Yeah, also you have the under the properties, under the page information button, you can see the rollout page in the entire page. If I click it, the same will happen. I'm going to select one single thing, one single page. I'm going to roll out an entire page. Now we cannot see the list component here, and let me see you.
Yes, it is there.
Got it? And I'm doing one single other part as well. I'm going to break the inheritance for the list component. I'm going to configure not child pages and
Okay.
fixed list I will be provided and add two list only I will be updated. The V retail, Canada, EN, about us. The page will be added. I mean, the shows a list component. Okay, in Switzerland, that's main. Okay, so two pages I just added here. Okay, but
Okay.
in the particular thing we have the lot of informations.
Eight
Okay,
pages. Yeah.
so I'm going to add the change the section component about us instead of main. I'm going to click some the changes will be happen for the main. Okay,
Okay.
so in the preview that you can see, if I over it, the redaction will happen for the main page. Okay,
Yes.
but in the preview we can see it will be done to the kid section product
Right.
in the child page. So I'm going to roll
Mhm.
out entire page. I'm going to roll out the entire page.
Okay.
Respective thing I'm going to add a page has been rolled out entirely. So what happened is I didn't refresh. Still, the kids has been going the kids section product. Okay, so I refresh the page. So there is no changes with the list component due to the inheritance has been broken. But in kids section, the main link has been
Men's
updated.
changed. Yeah.
So what is the thing is if I'm going to create a I'm going to get the information of entire thing. Okay, I'm going to take the entire information from the source language. Got it? But
Mhm.
in the site specific changes has been also updated, right? Site specific changes also updated, right? So particular site specific changes you can cancel the inheritance and update the changes. So whenever you're going to roll out the particular component or particular page, it won't get affected in the future part. Okay, if you want to
Okay.
get the original data, you can revert the inheritance,
Mm.
but no changes,
Okay.
right? There is no changes. I also inherited, right? The inheritance has been reverted, right? But there is no changes, so
Mhm.
I'm going to cancel it again. Okay, it has been canceled now, but revert the inheritance. We have to signalize the page after.
Synchronize.
Yeah,
Okay.
signalize the page after reverse the inheritance, so it automatically fetch the data without any entrance. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so this is how the language, I mean the live copy has been created. You can going to create one single page and going to using the live copy to convert, uh, separate the pages anywhere. Okay, create the page
Mhm.
and doing the things for the live copy. source and destination and added to the new country, okay, it will be that live copy I mean rollout option needs to be done. If it is a rollout configuration you have to provide, without that you're not supposed to roll out the information on the future and thing, okay. So live copy is used to copy paste, right? It's a paste from the language masters to not a language, whatever the thing that you can copy from one side to another side using the live copies, okay.
Okay.
Got it? It is a copy paste, but in the live copy, it will fetch the data of a proper new page creation. It consists of a new page creation with the existing content. All right. So
Okay.
whenever I copy
So
this page and
this.
paste it, the page unique ID has been duplicated.
Mhm.
Got it? But in the live
Okay.
copy that you are using here, it will be not creating the duplications. It will create the new pages with the existing informations. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So the live copy used to do that, but rollout configuration is an option to do the changes in the future changes. The enhancement, I mean, the changes of the future content will be fetched from that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There you can ask any doubt. You can ask here.
So there are two things. One is
Mm-hmm.
first that if we have some page in English, okay,
Yeah.
and let's say we require it to move to Spain and then we need to add Spanish language later on,
Exactly.
right? So
Yeah.
this thing is helpful. Like we just copy the English page to Spain, okay, and
Yeah.
then after that we can update the translations in
Okay.
that. So the
Okay.
structure will be same and translations are there, right?
Yeah, translation is a separate thing that I can show you right now. So in the live copy is clear, right? So I'm going
Yes.
to show you the language copy. So I'm going to create a language copy. Here you can see add pages. You can add multiple pages to do it. Okay, I'm going to select one single EN. Under the EN include subpages. Here you can option to include subpages or not. So I'm going to select the English, click next,
Okay.
and going to add the pages, Arabic. Okay, and select the
Mhm.
configuration path. Here you can see the templates, whether the editable templates. I will tell you later on the path. So I'm going
Mhm.
to configure one single path that will be considered taken the cloud configuration. Okay. So here the translation settings is default, right? If you click the default,
Okay.
you have to select it because first it will not. Okay. Here you
Mhm.
can see the Microsoft Translator trial license. Here we have the JAR, that is a limited edition that you can know, right? But in the organization, we have the created the translator part for the original license. So there you can expect the machine will re I mean rearrange the content with the translation and show it to you. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. The in the configuration translation also we can separate editor in the cloud services. Okay, the translation part. Here you can show the manual and machine and thing, right? Human, right? So whatever the thing you
Mhm.
provide, we don't have the translation method. Okay, here you can see the default Microsoft, but in future, okay, in your organization, there will be the translator that has been created by your developers. Okay, there you can see
Okay.
the particular thing to select the respective translation provider credential here, and in the
Okay.
translation method also enable. So once after you create the ARE, okay, I'm going to create structure only. Okay, add here also you can see the multiple option, create translation projects, create multi, even the translation project that you require, the changes will not happen. Okay, so title
Mhm.
Arabic, create, so done.
ERE.
Here it is. Yeah, here it is English actually. So it has been created ARE. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is how the thing can be changed, but I didn't edit and the properties. I'm not getting. I mean, I provided only the Arabic title also taken here only. So English is taken from the existing thing. Okay. So here as E is been completed, but if you can having anything here, you can unique product also fetch from the English, right? So entire thing has been copy and paste it in the new. Here you can see the right. There is
Hmm.
no English is there, right?
Right.
So only A or E. So whenever you can see the under the Arabic country, okay, the right. I mean, what I can say, right. Translation part that you can select from the developer where we created. Okay, so they
Hmm.
can able to uh, the changes will be happen. The translation will be happen.
Okay. And second thing was like sometimes we have this uh, English pages, right? So we have to create for the other language, like
Mhm.
let's say maybe German or French. So in that case, do we have to add the names, translated names somewhere else, or directly add into the title, like name? You showed that page name. So we put translation there in the name, or do we have any configs where we add the English to translate it?
No, if it is a manual translation, once you create the language copy, okay, here you can select and let me show you. I'm going to translator. Open the translator. Okay, it's a manual thing. Or else
Mm-hmm.
if you want the same structure, okay, listen it. If
Mm-hmm.
you have the same structure, okay, same uh, English experience in men and women as per the same English thing, I can create a translate. If I'm going to same structure part, but we have the respective translation thing, okay, I'm going to select the products and click the Arabic, okay, copy in ARE site in experience. I'm going to
Hmm.
change it. So this is a manual thing that you can do.
So
Okay.
this no, no, actually this is fine.
Yeah.
This title is fine. I'm
Hmm.
asking about the URL. Okay.
Okay.
So
What
let's
you
say
are?
some we have some German or French pages. So their URL is like experience. So experience in French is something else, right?
Yeah,
Some
yeah, I
other
got it.
name. So
It's depend
what
upon the
about?
name. There is no special characters in it. Okay. There is no special
Huh,
character except naming conventions must. I mean, the respective special characters not allowed except hyphen and underscore. Okay. And
right.
even if you're having the same in German and English here, the Spanish here, the product
Mm-hmm.
it is English thing. Okay, the English
Right.
characters. Got it? So there you can do,
Mm-hmm.
there you can copy back or not. Okay, if I'm going to Dutch, the product 10. Okay, so these we can copy back and it will be same. Okay, there is no issues with that in the in that level also, in the page name also. Okay, there is no issues
Okay.
with it, you can do it. It is not understanding of the characters, it is not
Mm-hmm.
understanding of the English language. It depends upon the characters that we can use. There is no special characters except the underscore and
Mm-hmm.
hyphen. That's it. Okay,
So,
so
like
mhm,
what happened in team site now, they have this config files, okay, where we used to add this
mhm.
one side the English name, then equals to the other translated name. And when we publish that config, then only the URL translation is shown in the URL.
Okay, okay,
So,
okay.
but here I guess we can directly add in the name.
Page properties, in the page properties you
Yes.
can add it. But in page properties you can only, I mean, before creating a page, okay, once you have
Mm-hmm.
creating a page only, you will get an option to create a, let me show. create a title and name. Okay. After created
Yes.
the page, okay, there is only one option to change the name of the page is move option.
Okay.
Here only change the name of it, the title and the page name it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to name it carefully. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Also, we can go CRXT and you can select the respective node. Okay. Let me show you. Without anything, moving the thing. Okay.
Uh-huh.
We can change the name of the respective page in the sense. You can
Okay.
select the respective node and rename it Experienzo. Okay. I'm going to do it like this and
Mm-hmm.
automatically it changes. If I'm going to, wait, if I'm going to select it, it will revert to the 404 page. Got it?
Okay.
So respective
Okay.
page name has been changed like this in the CRXT, but it is not advisable because CRXT, some organization will won't allow you as a authoring part. Developer we can do, but authoring
Mm-hmm.
there is some of the things are not allowed in CRXT. So right, apart from the
Okay.
move
Okay.
option, there is option to enable it in the node level. Got it?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So now you can know right the language copy and live copies and translation part and creating the pages. Got it?
Right. Right.
So practice
Yeah.
on it on the authoring part. Practice on it. We can see the components on the next week. We can complete the off of the syllabus, I think. Okay, because now we can language copy, live copy is basic. I mean, quite complex with authoring teams. Okay, but now we can understand. It will be easily understandable. We don't need a much information that you know. You can practicing your own content that will be help you out to the getting speed up your process and getting know the entire informations and all. Got it?
Sure. Sure. I'll practice this one. And
Okay.
if I have any doubts, I'll let you know. Okay.
Sh- Okay. Sure. Sure. If you have anything in the project level that you can ask me directly. If you want, and my number also can take it your own and ping me if you have any issues in the live server.
Sure. Please drop it in the chat. If required, I'll surely.